The risk register can be accessed through the main menu of Kendis. It appears as an option on the sidebar. The risk register provides an overview for all risks available on all boards. So when accessing it, different risk registers from different program boards are available. You can display or hide options as you wish. And you can filter it to only show risks pertaining to specific levels, statuses, or responsible personnel. You can also adjust the order of risks that are shown. These can be ordered in terms of all their tags. This will let you adjust priority of risks depending on what you feel should be tackled first, whether it be level of risk or even the impact the risk would have. You can adjust risk level details. By pressing the pencil on the right side of the row of the specific risk, you can choose to edit the same details that you provided when adding the risk. You can also display probability and impact on the risk register to understand how the risk levels are calculated. Kendis allows multiple program boards to be linked to one risk register for better tracking of risks. One risk register can be used to track features from multiple boards. Kendis completely automates the risk level determination by use of the risk matrix, which is the first graph shown when you enter the analytics. Currently, Kendis has 2 risk matrices. Risk Matrix 1 has 3 risk levels: low, medium, and high. These are calculated based on the impact and probability that you enter. Similarly, Risk Matrix 2 has 5 levels with the inclusion of very low and severe. By clicking on specific sections of the charts, you can quickly locate the source of interruptions, be it users involved in mitigating the risks or the risks themselves. If, for example, you need to see where the server risks are, by clicking on that section in the pie chart, this can be quickly located. The analytics are a great source to get valuable insights on how many risks you may have. They can also help understand what risks have the biggest impact and should be addressed first.